Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what is Qalqala. So, before starting Qalqala, we must know about the Jazm or Sukun. This is the sign of a Jazm, or you can call it Sukun. So, any letter having Jazm on it is called a silent letter. For example, ba has a jazm, so ba is called ba silent. If jim has jazm, so jim is called jim silent. And if dal has jazm, so that's called dal silent. So any letter having jazm on it is called a silent letter. What is qalqala? Qalqala is an echo voice. It is on five letters. Qaf, twa, ba, jim, dal. When we do qalqala on them, when they have a jazm or sukoon on them. For example, if qaf has a jazm, so we won't read it like ak. We will read it like ak, ak. Okay. Same here. If to has jazm, so we will read it like it. And ba has jazm, so we will read it like ub. Not ub, but ub. If dal has jazm, so we will read like ud. And this one, we know that if ba has jazm, so we will read it with qalqala. So ba has jazm, so sin is joining with ba, so we are reading it like subhana, not sub but sub. Zajratun udkhulu. I hope you got the point. This one, tub, tu, lam yalid, lid. We are not reading it lid but lid. So in total, Qalqala is an echo voice. Qalqala is an echo voice. It is on five letters. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal when they are silent. I hope you understand the Qalqala. If you have any kind of question, you can let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want to learn Quran with us, you can see that our contact number on the screen. So you can contact us and enroll with us. We have 24 by 7 service with qualified male and female teacher. Also, our fee is very low and we have the family packages, especially for those people who can't pay a lot. So it's the best time to learn with us. Jazakallah khairan kasira. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye.